let's get started. So here .NET provide actually there's a new setup which we can start our new app from within 5 minutes. Okay, so there's some documentation and all, so that I will show you how we can actually install if you are starting a .NET applications from that scratch, right? Is the first time, suppose your first time is setting your environment in your application in Windows operating system. So this is actually they launch new blogs so that you can easily start your environment and start your applications, right? So what you need to do, simply you have to go to the download section. I will provide this link over here in this video description, and they actually provide this file. So this is actually one of the file which is helps to install whatever the prerequisite of .NET environment, right? So like for example Visual Studio SDK and whatever corresponding Visual VS Code has some extension and all, so that we can easily build our applications, right, of .NET applications. So that's why actually it is giving this new file. So what you need to do, you simply just install this, download first. So let me download, and once it's download, so now see it is asking for download location. So I'll just giving the download section and save it. It will take some time. Yeah, it is automatically done. I think it is a very very minimal size. So go to that section and simply you just open this file and open. There is a two options, like which you can just open, like either you can open dev home or either you can using that window package manager client, right? So first I will check this one, then later on we'll check this one also, but yeah, I will check this one and just one and just start it over here. So if you have already that all that existing application like VS Code and .NET SDK, so it will check and then further it will proceed. But if you don't have, so what he will do, he will just get that and installed, and then he will proceed that further. Like for example, see now this is actually just first they try to install .NET SDK, right? So in my machine I have already installed, so that's why I have never skipped that one. But yeah, if it is already installed, so it will just skip that part. But if don't have any other machine, so it will installed. Okay, so that is fine tool actually, so easy to set up your environment. And then another one, actually see here, install VS Code. So there's also actually they are that all the settings they provide. Okay, this is that ID and this is actually source from that Winget. So basically this tool actually getting that particular this ID, like this VS Code ID, and then they get from your local system and download and then install automatically. You don't need to take in care anything. Okay, and after that also see that dev kit also. So there's another, these three things actually they will try to set up in these tools. And then once you they analyze over there, so what you need to do, simply you have to press Y and no, right? So I will press Y, right, and hit enter. So it will start to your now download SDK first, then it will download VS Code, and then it will install all that C# dev toolkit. So let's wait for few seconds to install in your local system, and then we will show you how we can create a new application using this one. Okay, so now after few seconds, few minutes, actually see all that dependencies, all that dependency got installed. Like first they installed successfully for .NET SDK, then another one is apply for VS Code, and then last one is apply for that extension, whatever the extension required for that VS Code and all. So now finally everything is got success, and also it is saying like press enter to continue. So let's just press enter to continue, and that's it. So open VS Code to check whatever that extension they are already installed or not. So go to that extension method over here and just filter for C#, because I already have a many extension over here, so we have to just filter about C#. Now see it's try to install, right? So these are that important SDK, or sorry, it is just extension method. So it is trying to installing, so it will take some time also to install this extension method. So wait for some times. So once you complete your installation over here, so that we are good. Even we can try while installation as well. I think we are good, because it will taking some time but it is same status, so might be some issue to update over here, but yeah, I think it should fine. So what you need to do first, let me close everything and just using this, control shift or P, and choose your .NET application. So let me choose the .NET new project. So choose the first one, and once you choose the first one, choose the console app. I will choose any app actually, not only just console app, but yeah, you can choose other app as well. But yeah, I will show you in here if you first time trying to do so. Choose console app and just create a name over here and use that default directory or choose any other directory. So I will use that default directory over here and just create it. So this is my solution explorer, so this is my application, right? And in this application, now see this is my that simple application, right? Default application. So what I can do, I simply will check it is working fine or not. So simply you can just debug over here, run a project associated with this file, right? So run this and see. Even you can just fire this command as well, .NET run or .NET build as well. Now see, our application got running perfectly, there is no issue. And let me just modify this again like this, and just change it to okay, hello world or .NET application in 5 minutes, right? .NET application in 5 minutes, right? So save it and just try to run again. So once you're done, now see, you're able to see over here another updated one. So that means it's look like fine. We can easily set up our environment in our local, in a fresh machine as well, without headache any. Okay, what are the dependency we required and all. So don't worry about that, everything will capture using this package, right? That .NET Winget package. So everything will taken care, and it will start your environment, and you can start your learning, or start your programming, right? So that's all for this session. Thank you, have a nice day, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.